Hi, I'm Bree from Mutinous Creations, and this is Airsoft. Grenade out!
I'm the owner of Mutinous Creations. I'm an artist and a graphic designer, though my canvas is a bit different. I airbrush guns, camo patterns, or sick designs. Our most successful patent-pending product is vinyl patches. These patches can be made with virtually any logo or design. They have Velcro backing to easily decorate gear, clothing, and uniforms for airsoft players, military, police, and more. We've been a great success, and in the past 18 months we've grown from a few customers to a few thousand. Just take it from them. They love us. With your help, we turn our XB into a mobile billboard and purchase a laser cutter to speed up patch production and revolutionize our company. We are successful, passionate, and 100% dedicated. We create and encourage art and invest in our community. So please, 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 please consider investing in us.